Time to unbox the Senco, the new Senco Cap Stapler. I've been waiting for them to produce a cap stapler for so long. There we go. Pretty sweet. All right, we're on the job site today and we are using the new Senco Cap Stapler. I've used cap staplers from basically every brand that makes them, and I've had good experiences and I've had bad experiences with them. So far on this project, I have installed quite a bit of Type R house wrap with this rig and I am super impressed. We're gonna go over all the features of this new Senco Cap Stapler. If you're in the market for one, I can already tell you I highly recommend this one. Let me talk to you about some of the things that I like about it. First and foremost, loading the caps. Loading the caps is super easy, way easier than all of the other traditional cap staplers that I've used in the past. You just pull this back and it clip locks in right here and you have full access. Senco sells their own caps and staples, and so far from what I can tell, the Senco caps seem to be a little bit thicker than the other caps from other brands that I've tried. They also utilize a 3/8 crown staple, and these are galvanized, which is nice, and they come in a variety of lengths. I'm using the 5/8 flavor for this particular project since it's just house wrap, right? But what I like about this particular rig is just how easy it is to load those caps and to string it up in here, but also the thickness of the caps. Now, as far as consistency goes, a lot of the other cap staplers that I've used in the past have one major flaw that seems to be a recurring thing. I've never had a cap stapler that didn't do this. Sometimes during this cycle or this action that happens, you can fasten a cap and it doesn't cut the strip. So you pull the gun away after shooting and it pulls a string of caps with it. So far, I've ran quite a few rolls through this. That has not happened a single time with this particular stapler. So that in itself is super impressive. As far as ergonomics goes, I mean, you can see how thin this thing is. Very lightweight. It does come with a belt hook, and you can switch it to either side. They've got a Zert, and I'm a lefty, so I actually need to switch that to the left side. But it is a fixed hook. I would have liked to seen them, you know, put something rotating like a rafter hook or something on there if you needed it, or just something to move it out of the way. That would have been nice. You can direct the flow of air off the back of it. Obviously, it's a pneumatic. I do have my Senco hybrid air hose hooked up to it. These are the best air hoses on the market in my opinion. But so far, this rig has been phenomenal. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install some Type R right now for you, and I'm gonna show you a first-person perspective of how well this thing works. Good? We just need to come down enough to cover our plywood. Yeah, you gotta come way down actually, I think. Come all the way down to the bottom, as far as you can physically go. Sure. You good?
Yep.
Okay. All right, that's got that done. Let me come around there and finish yours up. Okay, pull nice and tight.
Yep.
Very nice. All right, one thing this stapler does have is a depth of drive adjustment. I wish it were a little bit better. It's not as responsive as I would like it to be, and it seems like it overdrives the staples at times, and I can't adjust it out anymore, so we're having to turn the air pressure down. It would be nice if they would have implemented a little bit more adjustability there. That's one con I found with this rig so far. How you looking?
Still looking good.
Okay, very good. I'll go ahead and throw a few more in this. Just because I can. Yeah, go ahead. So there you have it, folks, the new Senco Cap Stapler. I'll show you one last close-up look of it. The grip is really nice. The form factor is fantastic. I have very few complaints with this tool. I do wish that the belt hook was a little bit, I don't know, different, more robust. I'm not sure. But overall, I really enjoy it. Mainly, I just like how it functions, and I like how easy it is to load. Those were two big problem areas for me on all of the other cap staplers that I've had in the past. I've used the Bostitch, I've used the Stinger, I've used the Pazload. All of those were okay, but this one is kind of on another level. So listen, folks, if you enjoyed this video, if you like tool review videos, if you like how-to videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. There's a lot of folks that watch my videos that aren't subscribed yet, and I would really appreciate it. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.